What's going on, guys? It is RSO back with another video. I know it's been a while. I was completely wrong about Tesla and Apple. I said I was bullish on Tesla, but Price had to, show me something. It did not show me any bullish momentum. That's why I didn't really post about it, but it went to the downside. And then Apple, the same thing. It went the total opposite way as well. It decided to go back up. Now, did I take any trades in this? No. And I definitely missed this short-term bullish one. I was just lazy and decided not to do it. But I don't know what's been going on with me. I just kind of been lazy with the videos. But here we are. The market sold off a good amount today with Bitcoin and Ethereum and the overall markets like silver, gold. I was definitely bullish back then. I'm definitely not now. Now, I didn't have any type of position in this. I'm not even joking to you. I can find the contract if you guys really want me to, but I sold right at the tip here just because there wasn't any other setup and it hit a previous high. So I was just like, I won't be greedy. I'm just gonna take it. And I ended up getting really lucky about this sell-off. But here we are now. Silver's down like tremendously, gold's down tremendously. Now, my thesis is that we're heading downward. Now, it could definitely change, right? Charts change, so opinions change. So it doesn't really matter with me. I'm just sticking to my plan, sticking to what I know, and I don't have any setups right now whatsoever. I mean, even with Ethereum, I told you this might be a possible fake out in my previous video. I said I would need a bullish signal out of this zone, and it definitely did not give us that and ended up forming a bear flag and going down further. Now, honestly, I wish I was really paying attention to crypto because if I did, I would have been able to short this, but it is what it is, and you move on to the next one. With that being said, I am definitely turning more bearish heading into 2026. Now, this could be a total fake out, but just because of the fact that AI is starting to get really, really weak recently, and just the overall market just doesn't look good. I mean, the RSI hasn't showed strength at all this whole entire time. I mean, these big AI stocks are just tanking. I mean, like for example, Google now, um, they closed today at 331 and they're already selling off in after hours. Let me go ahead and show you this. So they're already selling off in after hours. So it's not looking too good, especially when they're starting to get weak like this overall, because technically it should be strong, but it's not. Some doofus would be like, "Oh, this is a bearish divergence, and there's just a high here and a higher high and a lower high here." But you know, sometimes you could get faked out by those, so I don't really pay attention to that. But I'm just showing you that the RSI is weak overall, and so I just think the markets are weak. Now, until they prove me otherwise, I'll probably make another video. But until then, it's just I got some short plays I want to get into tomorrow, like MU, Apple, and Nvidia, which I'm already in. I posted this on the weekly. So this is a head and shoulders pattern. I definitely love this overall. It's slightly selling off in the after hours right now. Um, yeah, so we're like slightly below right here, 170.76, like around this area. So I definitely like this long term. My target is 150, so we'll see if we get there within, the next month. And the thing that would invalidate it was going back to 190, but because of the markets just being so weak overall, I'm just gonna short it. The reason why with Apple, this is a bull flag, but just due to the overall market, I'm gonna try to short this, and then I have um some contracts that I took a look at, and volume is shot up over interest over open interest, which means that people are buying these puts for Apple. So I am looking for 270, so we'll see how that goes. And yeah, this Ethereum sell-off is nothing to be worried about for me. I could care less. Like I said, I didn't have a signal. You could go back to my previous video. And then if you notice earlier in my YouTube videos, I put in bullish heading into 2026 dot dot dot, and that dot 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 was because it wasn't for the whole 2026. Um, the patterns are kind of repeating themselves, and AI is really weak, so it's looking good to continue to go down. But like I said, charts can always change my opinion. Nothing's ever final, and that's the way I like it, and that's how I make money off it. But until again, then, thank you guys for watching, you guys for being here still, and I'll see you guys in the next video.